All right, it's the end of the month. Again, you're staring at your phone like, how? Paycheck came, stuff got paid, but your savings, still dead. You check your account, and it hits you. $0 saved. Legendary. Like, congrats, you survived another month, broke again. Not even dramatic, just tragic. You didn't even spend big. No wild vacations, no PlayStation 5, just a couple coffees, a takeout or two, and boom, money gone. You just never saved. Because saving takes effort, right? Wrong. You know what fixes that? Automatic savings. Yeah, like paying yourself before you pay Netflix. That's right, you first. Not Spotify, not DoorDash, not whatever scammy subscription you forgot about. Every time you get paid, your bank can move cash into savings automatically, without even asking. You won't feel it. But 3 months later, boom, money stash. Not magic, just discipline. On autopilot. Use apps like Chime, Ally, or Revolut. They set it up for you. No thinking, no guilt. Lazy saving is the best kind. Some apps round up your spending. Like, you buy a $4.60 coffee, they drop the other 40 cents into savings. Tiny amounts, big results. Others let you set weekly transfers. $10 every Friday? Perfect. You don't touch it. It just grows. Because the trick isn't saving big, it's saving without thinking. Let me break it down. Automatic means invisible. Invisible means consistent. And consistent means fire. Want to learn more tricks like this? Subscribe, like, save money, or keep paying $20 for a $2 coffee. Your call.